Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. All right guys, again, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that's been on a lot of minds lately. Is Krea AI safe to use in 2025? Whether you're a creative professional exploring new AI tools, a casual user dabbling with generative art, or someone concerned about data privacy, this video is going to break everything down, from how it works and its safety practices to user control and transparency. So let's get into it. Let's start with what Krea AI actually is. In 2025, Krea AI has become a popular platform for generating high-quality AI art, illustrations, and even design elements in real time. It's built with an intuitive interface, letting users guide the creative process with text prompts, reference images, and various styles. One of the standout features is how responsive and interactive the generation process is. You can tweak details live, making it super appealing to artists and designers. Now let's talk about safety and data privacy. Krea AI emphasizes that it doesn't store user prompts or image data unless you explicitly choose to save or share your creations. That's a big plus if you're concerned about your content being used to train future models or shared without consent. In 2025, they've also added more robust privacy settings, letting you control what's public and what stays private. The platform doesn't require deep personal info to get started either. Basic sign up, and you're in. But there are still some things to be mindful of. Like many AI platforms, Krea relies on third-party infrastructure for hosting and processing, which means there's always a minimal risk of data exposure, especially if you're uploading sensitive material. Additionally, it's still important to read the terms of service to understand how your creations and data are handled, especially if you're using the tool commercially. Another thing worth noting is how Krea AI handles copyright and ownership. As of 2025, users typically own the rights to their generated content unless they use certain licensed styles or models that come with restrictions. That's a great move for creators who want full control over their work, whether it's for a project, a client, or content monetization. So let's quickly break things down. Security. Krea AI doesn't store your prompts or images unless you choose to. Your data stays private unless you decide to publish or save. Transparency. The terms are clear, and user control has improved a lot in 2025. Still, always double-check the fine print if you're using it for business. Ownership. You generally own your creations, giving you full control. Some licensed models may have restrictions, so read carefully. Best for, use Krea AI if you're a digital artist or creative looking for fast, high-quality AI outputs. Choose it if you care about control over your content and want a user-friendly interface. Avoid it for now if you're dealing with very sensitive or confidential projects. Krea AI in 2025 is a powerful and mostly safe tool for AI-generated art, especially if you're mindful about what you share and how you use it. It's flexible, transparent, and continues to grow in features and user protection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried Krea AI or have concerns about AI safety. See you in the next one.